Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on uploading documents to your CRIISP deal room. First, we need to get to our deal room, and then go to the Documents tab. Here, we'll see a number of folders that we're able to upload material into, and if we click on any of them, we'll be able to rename the folder to a folder we would like instead. So I'm going to call this folder Project, and then I'm going to upload documents into these folders. So first upload with our pitch deck material. Then upload our board material. Any financial documents we would like to share. And also finally our project folder as well. Now, if I'd like to rearrange any of these, the order of any of these, I simply just click and drag and drop, and that reorders the folder numbers. We can also click the cog in the top right and then click Switch to Investor View, and this is what investors will be able to see in your deal room and how it will display to them. Thank you.